Hello, I'm Harold Timmis from SmartMaker, and I'd like to introduce you to the unboxing of the Open System Starter Kit. So let's dive right into this. Okay, so this is the Smart Bus Basic. This has Bus A and Bus B. You'll notice Bus A has your power, your 3-volt 3, your 5-volt, your VN. It also has SPI, MISO, MOSI, and SCK. Also an SS pin there. It also has I2C, which is your SD and SCL. On the bus B side, you'll notice B01 through B27. B01 and B02 are generally associated with UART, whereas the rest of them are open. You can use them for pretty much anything. If you had your own product idea, you can use them for digital, analog. Again, they're open pins. You could really use them for anything. So if you notice on your bus A side also, you'll notice that you have foregrounds on the corners. You also have foregrounds on the corners of the bus B. This bus allows for rapid prototyping. It's very flexible, and you really can't get much better than this bus as far as no wires needed. Again, it's rapid and very flexible. So let's go ahead and take a look at an example of connecting these buses. Okay, I just want to show you how quick and easy it is to attach multiple modules together in order to create a entire system. So I have a smart bus for adapter for Raspberry Pi here and a smARtHOST XB, and to use it all I have to do is connect it, and that's it. It's ready to go. And now if I wanted to add a relay to this, or a couple of relays to this, it's very simple. Again, you just give a little bit of clearance to your XB here, just like this. And now you take your SmartHost relay and just attach it to the smart bus, and there you go. Now you have both a SmartHost XB and a SmartHost relay connected to a Raspberry Pi, and you can use those with your Raspberry Pi. Now they're connected through the smart bus, which just allows it to rapidly prototype. It's very flexible, just like you just saw. I mean, and very easy to get started. Okay, so this is what you will find inside the box that you get from SmartMaker. Once you're done unpacking your starter kit from its box and from the wrappings, you will see that you have a few components. The first one, the smARtCORE L, the SmartHost adapter for Arduino, the SmartHost Power, the SmartHost Breakout, a micro USB cable, and a power adapter. Let's go over these in a little bit more detail. The smARtCORE L is a Leonardo compatible board. This board has only one processor as opposed to the smARtCORE U, which has two. The one processor controls both the USB and programs that you actually run on the microcontroller. The other difference between the smARtCORE L and smARtCORE U is the fact that the smARtCORE L will show up as a virtual COM port as opposed to the smARtCORE U, which shows up as a physical COM port. The SmartHost adapter for Arduino, this allows you to use the same form factor of an Arduino, so you can stack your shields and program chips through the ICSP here. It breaks out all of your digital, your analog, your 3-volt 3, your 5-volt, your ground, your VN, your reset, and a few other pins as well. It has both 3-volt 3 and a 5-volt regulator on it, so you can use those for your projects. The SmartHost Breakout allows you to use all the pins on the Smart Bus A or Smart Bus B. So you can use your SPI, I2C, all your digital and analog pins. So you have B01 through B27 of the smart bus on this breakout. You also have your plus 5 volt, your VN, your 3 volt 3. So you can use all of those in your projects. And what you can do with it, you can solder wires to it. If you have a sensor, you can solder the sensor to it. You can put headers on it so you can rapidly put in wire. So it's a pretty cool board. The smARtHOST power has a 5 volt regulator on it, so if you wanted to power your projects with 5 volts, you could just use this and hook a wall wart up to it, and you would be able to power your devices. The micro USB allows you, of course, to upload your programs onto your smARtCORE. So you connect one end to your computer, and the other end you connect to your smARtCORE L, and you're ready to go as far as programming your smARtCORE. The power adapter allows you to connect to any standard 2.1 millimeter barrel jack, so that you can interface with the various power adapters. This is the example for, you'll get the smARtHOST power, so you'll be able to actually connect right into that power connector, and the other end into your favorite wall wart or AC adapter, which, as long as it's between 5 and 12 volts, you should be able to power the smARtCORE L. So that is all of the components for the starter kit. So now I want to do a quick example with you. So stick around. Okay, so now we can go ahead and start to install the IDE and device drivers. First, I want to note that you can use any Arduino compatible software out there, for example wiring in the Arduino IDE, but for this example we are going to use the Arduino IDE. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go to arduino.cc, go ahead and click on download. Then you'll see a Windows zip file. Go ahead and click on that, and it'll start to download. Okay, so once that's done downloading, you can go ahead and double click the icon down here that says Arduino-1.0.5, and another window should open. You can go ahead and close your web app. So you'll see a file here, Arduino-1.0.5, and you need to drag and drop that onto your desktop. Just like that. And it will start to extract. Okay, once that's done extracting, your IDE is now ready to go. You can go ahead and click on the folder here, and you'll see an Arduino icon. Go ahead and double click that as well and click Run. And there's your IDE ready to go to program your smARtCORE L. So now that that's done, we need to install the device drivers for the smARtCORE L. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So go ahead and exit out of your IDE. Go to Device Manager. You'll notice it has other devices here, and then it has Arduino Leonardo. That is your smARtCORE L. So go ahead, right click it, and go to Update Driver Software. Do not click on Search automatically for updates. Click Browse My Computer for driver software. So once you do that, go ahead and hit the Browse button again. Go to the Arduino 1.0.5 folder, and then go to Drivers. Then click OK. Make sure Include Subfolders is clicked, and hit Next. Hit Install, and everything now is installed for your smARtCORE L. It also associated COM7 with it. So now you'll see on your reports COM and LPT that COM7 is associated with your smARtCORE L. So now we can do a quick example. Let's go back to our folder here on the desktop and click on the Arduino icon again. Click Run. And now let's go to Tools, Board. You're going to need to click on the Arduino Leonardo because this is a Leonardo compatible board. And now go to Serial Port. Remember it assigned COM7 to the one that's connected to my computer right now. Of course, make sure your smARtCORE L is connected to your computer, otherwise this will not work. Go ahead and go to Examples, go to Basic, go ahead and click on Blink. And this is just a very basic program. It just turns on and off the LED that is at the top right corner of the smARtCORE L. So let's go ahead and hit Upload. It will say Done Uploading, and the LED on the smARtCORE L will start to blink on and off at 1 second intervals. So let's go ahead and take a look at the program actually running on the smARtCORE L. Okay, you'll notice that the smARtCORE L and the LED on the actual smARtCORE L is blinking in 1 second intervals, so it's on for a second, off for a second. So this is the blink program that you uploaded to it, and that is our example for this starter kit. I hope you enjoyed your time here, and thank you.